This is a video that I never thought that I was gonna make, but you know, I like to say, all good things must come to a transition, right? Not an end. So today, I just wanted to say thank you for all of those that have watched my Joomla videos, my Joomla courses, and this is my official goodbye and the last video that I'm going to create about Joomla. And I wanted to just show my appreciation to you guys. When I started using Joomla back in 2005 and 6, I mean, it was just starting back then, and it's grown significantly over the years. And I've had over 1.5 million of you have watched my Joomla tutorials. I really appreciate that. From a guy that just went from learning the basics about building a website to take care of his family, make some money, to becoming one of the go-to people in the industry to build Joomla stuff. It's humbling for me, but with AI and the changes that is brought, I have to pivot. I do have to make a major pivot. And over the past 2 years or so, since AI has just been dominating everything, I've been pivoting and making that adjustment. Now, if you use Joomla, I'm not saying that you stop using Joomla today or tomorrow or whatnot. One of the reasons why I made this switch, I was working on a project, I think about a couple years ago. This is still when AI was still in infancy, not what it is now. But I was building this project and I wanted to use AI to do some of the work for me with Joomla. I had an issue with some integration. I realized that when I built this stuff with AI alone, it worked better, it looked better, it just functioned better compared with Joomla. There's so many, hoops I had to go over, and with any platform, whether it's Joomla or WordPress or anything, right? And I was like, man, I just didn't want to go through that. But even with outside of that, I realized that there is so many limitations. I don't own Joomla. So there's certain things that I can't change, certain codes to work how I want it to be, and just some of those things there. It's a great platform, but I realized that for me, that's when the light bulb came on that it's time to move on. I'm moving on. I've actually built my own platform. It's called Praylum. It's a AI powered platform for coaches and agencies that you can start a coaching business. You can learn how you can build your own websites. You can, use agents, and we have about 27 agents that will do things for you, right? If you want to build a website, you log on there, and there's a link at the bottom of this video. It's in public beta stuff right now, so you can get on the waiting list. And when spots open up, I'm gonna make sure to get you to try it out. But it's an incredible platform, and it allows you. I use the platform every day myself, right, to run my coaching business. I can build websites. I can edit them. I can have agents that find leads for me. They can make the phone calls. They can answer phone calls for me. They can pretty much help run my business 24/7, and that's something that means a lot to me. And for those of you that know that I'm a Christian, and there's a Bible verse that says a good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children. My goal for building my own platform is that I want to be able to do something that my kids, grandkids, great grandkids can be able to use long after I'm gone. So I really appreciate you guys. It's been a journey. My courses are going to stay on. I'm not going to delete my Joomla courses on YouTube, even the one that's on Udemy. I've had, several thousands, tens of thousands of you have taken my Joomla courses on Udemy and different platforms. And I'm just so humbled by that. I've received so many emails and messages. People wondering, Mathew, are you still doing Joomla stuff? We haven't seen anything from you for a while. What's going on? It's just because it's time to pivot. That's something that I just do in my personal life and my business as well. Like I see what direction that I need to go in. I pray about it. and then I'll make a decision that's right for me. So I wanted to just come on one more time. For those who've been watching my Joomla videos, now I want to say this. The channel is still going to exist, but I'm going to make a pivot. The content on this channel now is going to be more AI focused, still in the same niche, still in the same, website and building. I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to use AI, especially with the platform that I have to build websites, to grow your business, to, enhance. And it's a lot easier now than it's ever been. So much easier now that with a few prompts you can build a full-blown website and make some adjustments with it, which is incredible. And if you haven't already taken advantage of that, you need to start taking advantage of that right now. So I just want to say again, thank you so much for your support over the years. Thank you for watching my courses, my videos, and it means a lot to me. It means so much. Hopefully I get to connect with you more on this new pivot. I'm not saying goodbye. I'm just saying, look, let's change course. So that's what we're going to be doing. So the channel is going to have different branding. It's going to have a different name. The Joomla videos, they're still going to still be there, so you can watch them. But it's just a new era. AI is just completely changed and revolutionized the way that we do business. And it's no different for me. So I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.